Last week on Thursday and Friday, you were introduced to this concept of oxidation numbers. Oxidation numbers are a bookkeeping method of trying to determine what substance is gaining or hogging the electrons and which substance is losing custody of its electrons. Based on that, we can assign a positive or a negative oxidation number. What I want to do is go through a couple of examples today to make sure that you remember some of your rules, because we are getting to the point in time where you're going to need to apply those rules. So Cl2 is an atom of an element. Do you remember what the rule is, Taylor? Zero. All elements have an oxidation number of 0. As soon as you have a positive or a negative charge beside the symbol, then the overall charge is not 0. In this case, Cl is the only thing in there, which means it automatically has an oxidation number of -1. Sodium. It's an element, which means its oxidation number is 0. What about Na1 positive? Okay, +1. O2. Oh, there is no symbol up there. The total must be 0. N2. 0. Aluminum with a 3 positive charge. +3. In water, we have H and we have O. We need to write the oxidation number for one symbol. What is the rule about oxygen? -2 unless it is a peroxide. You will have to watch out for number 16 here, because this is sodium peroxide. What is the rule about oxidation numbers if oxygen is present as a peroxide ion? It is a -1. I'll put this up here so that we remember it when the time comes to work on question 16. Back to water, number 8. Oxygen is -2. +1 for the hydrogen. Awesome. What happens if you have a polyatomic ion and you have a positive or a negative at the end?
Whatever you multiply the O2 by, so you multiply the O2 by -2.
Okay.
And whatever, so then you get -4, whatever, you have to hit, whatever, N has to equal an amount that equals -1.
Okay, so 3 times -2 is -6. If we're going to have a -1 oxidation number total, what does nitrogen have to be?
+3.
Okay, just +3?
No, +5.
+5, good correction. If there is no positive or negative charge behind the number, for example, NO2, what is the sum of the oxidation numbers going to equal?
4.
If you have no positive or negative behind substance, it's got to equal 0. We know that oxygen in this case is going to be -2. What is nitrogen's oxidation number? Number 10. Nitrogen's oxidation number? +4. Please continue on the worksheet. Watch out for number 16 because you have a peroxide ion.